If you have an iPhone, you might have noticed something strange. There are two ways to accept a call on your iPhone. One is where it'll show the caller and it'll show answer or decline. And the other option is where it says slide to answer instead of the answer or decline. You might be wondering why each of these shows up and how to decline a call if it only says slide to answer. Now, in either of these instances, your iPhone chooses which one to show depending on whether your phone is locked or unlocked. This helps prevent your iPhone from accidentally butt dialing somebody that you didn't mean to, or accepting a call where you didn't mean to accept it. Now, you can see it says answer or accept and decline. Essentially, you'll see this screen when your iPhone is unlocked. And the reason for this is because you're looking visually at your iPhone, and it's easy to just tap on the accept or the decline button. However, if your iPhone is locked and it shows these, it's easy to just accidentally tap on one of these if you get a call and your phone is in your pocket or your purse. So what they do is they switch over to this method, essentially slide to answer when your iPhone is locked. And the reason for this is because if your iPhone is in your pocket or in a purse, it's a lot harder to accidentally slide to answer a call when it is locked. So when your phone is locked, you'll see the option to slide to answer. However, you might be thinking to yourself, if my phone is locked and I don't want to answer it and I want to decline this call, you have two different ways to be able to decline it. One is to silence it and one is to end the call immediately. The first option you have is to silence that call. That means it'll continue to ring through its normal cycle and then go to voicemail. To do that, you can either press the volume up or the volume down, and it will silence the ringer on your phone. However, let's say it's a spam call and you wanted to immediately hang up on that person and not ring anymore. You can just press the side button twice here, essentially like that, and it will decline that call from that person. Again, volume up or volume down just silences it. And to decline the call from the person, you can press that side button over to the right, a little nuance that Apple has built into your iPhone over many generations of development. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.